Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Michael from WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1965 289 Mustang Coupe. Absolutely beautiful car. Frame-up restoration on this one. Original body panels, floors. Absolutely gorgeous. Red. It's got factory air conditioning. Power steering. The chrome bright work and everything is gorgeous. Showing 87,858 on the miles. Definitely seems to be original. Man, just as nice as it gets. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. If you have any questions at all, give us a buzz at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot and have a great day.